Okay, last month in Angel we learned about linking items from your repository right over here to your content page. Hopefully you've had a chance to try that out. This month we're going to talk about group polls or course polls. I'm using a group. Works the same as a course, but it'll say course polls. So what would you use a course poll for? Well, maybe you want to poll your kids quickly about something you've just done in class, almost like an exit writing. Once they take it, it doesn't show up again and you get all the results immediately. Or about some other options you might have in class for what you're going to do next or coming up in the following month. So let me show you how to add it. So I'm on my home page. You're going to go to Edit Page. You're going to need to add that component. And we're actually looking for the polls. Mine is going to say Group Polls right here. Yours will say Course Polls. You can say Add Selected. And of course, when you add things, you can move them around wherever you want, so I'll just leave it here and say Save. So now I have the group poll. Click on the little pencil. And we'll pretend we can actually get rid of those. I'm going to delete all of these so you can see what it looks like. You can have time stamps where they will open up at a certain date for your kids. So I'm just going to add a question right now. So maybe how many hours do you spend on homework each week? So how many hours do you spend, make sure we get the spelling correct, spend on homework each week? You could put some feedback in here. You could have radio buttons, check boxes, drop down lists, whatever you prefer. We're just going to do compact mode radio buttons. And maybe 0 hours per week. I'm putting the week in there just to remind them. Maybe 1 to 2 per week. 3 to 5 hours per week. And 6 or more hours per week. Maybe you want to get a little feedback for the first semester to see how you're doing. You can have a little text box that they can type in their own response. The default is a little box. So I'm just going to say none, so it's not there. So they have to use one of my options. I could start it at a certain date and end it at a certain date. If they don't log in between those dates, they can't take it. I'm just going to save it and just have it go out immediately. And we can always edit and delete it here, but I'm going to go back home. So the kid or the student logs on to their class, Angel Basics, and they go to the front page and there's my poll. So how many hours you spend on homework? So the kids log in, they take the poll. I go about 3 to 5 hours, submit. That's it. Now where do you find the results? Come up here to Communicate and to Polls. And there it is. We can edit this here, but when we look at Summary, one person selected 3 to 5. Of course, that's me. Let me go back. Details. You can see which student selected which answer, so you can see how many hours each kid is putting in. And I'm going to say Done. Now when the kid logs in again, go back to this page, it goes away. It's an awesome quick tool to use to take a quick little poll. Give it a try. It works really well. Thanks for watching.